Alright, so shift and power. Connect the USB to the computer. Updating. There it is, right there. Updating finish. Okay, so we turned off the power. V2. Sweet. Hi, Maiden. How you doing? Completed. Turn off power. You want to make a little cameo, Mitten? Could be. Cameo meeting. Cameo meeting. Oh yes, I'll count Mitten there. So I'll count Mitten. Snuggle bear. You are a distraction. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm moving the camera back. Right about here. Okay, so now we want to perform a factory reset. V2. So we want to go to utility. Snuggle there, hang on. I gotta do a factory reset. Factory reset. So we have an option here. Okay, there. Do all enter. Did I do something wrong here? How do we go to OK? Oh. Completed. Turn off power. Sakura? What is this? There's new pattern layout? What? The new patterns? What? No way. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait. Bye.